from tree to tree, and the song they sang was Old Ireland Free. 'Twas early, early on the night, the yeoman cavalry gave me a fright. The yeoman cavalry was my downfall, and taken was I by Lord Cornwall. As I was walking up Wexford Hill, oh, who would blame me to cry my fill? I looked behind and I looked before, but my aged mother I shall see no more. As I was walking up Wexford Street, my own first cousin I chanced to meet. My own first cousin did me betray, and for one bare guinea sold my life away. As I was mounted on the platform high, my aged father I chanced to spy. My aged father did me deny, and the name he gave me was the Croppy By. It's in Dungarvan this young man died, and it's in Dungarvan his body lies. So all good people,